Welcome all. So now next question is find the transmission parameter, that means ABCD parameter for the two-port network shown in figure. So one two-port network is provided to us. We know that for transmission parameter or ABCD parameter, V1 I1 is function of V2 minus I2. That means V1 equal to AV2 minus BI2 and I1 equal to CV2 minus DI2. So from these you can write the formulas for A, B, C and D. Suppose I want to write the formula for C. So how I can write the formula for C from this equation? From this equation, how I can write the formula for C? So make I2 as 0. So I1 equal to CV2. I2 as 0. So I1 equal to CV2. That means C equal to I1 upon V2. Okay. So instead of remembering this formula, you can derive it in 30-40 seconds. Okay. Now, when I am finding out A and C, what condition I am using? I2 equal to 0. Okay. And when finding out B and D, which condition I am using? V2 equal to 0. Now one key concept for you. Suppose I have made I2 equal to 0 and I got some relationship between I1 and V1. I have made I2 as 0 and I got some condition between relationship between I1 and V1. I have made I2 as 0, I2 as 0 and I got some relationship between I1 and V1. Then this relationship I cannot use when I am finding out B and D. When I am finding out B and D, because when finding out B and D, condition is different. We are making V2 equal to 0. So this relationship I cannot use while finding out B and D. Okay. Now first make I2 as 0. So if I2 is 0, what values I can get? I can get the values of A and C. So I2 as 0. So here I have made I2 as 0 ampere. So here also current is 0 ampere. This is a voltage source. So it will not affect the voltage source. The current from the voltage source can be any value. The current through the voltage source can be any value. Okay. From here I1 current is coming. So here from here 0 current is coming. So in this 10 ohm resistor, I1 current will flow. Incoming current is I1 plus 0. Outgoing current is I1 only. Okay. Now, as you can see, for A and B, the A is V1 upon V2, C is I1 upon V2, right? And if I apply KVL here, I cannot get V2 because in the formula of A and C, V2 is present. So I must apply KVL in loop number 2. So what will be KVL equation then? Suppose I start from minus to plus, then minus V2, sorry, plus V2, minus to plus, I am going to plus V2. Then this is a plus to minus, this is a voltage source. This is nothing but voltage source. Plus minus is written, that's why it is a voltage source. So minus 2 I1 and current in resistor always from plus to minus. So minus 10 I1 equal to 0. So V2 equal to 12 I1 and your C is nothing but I1 upon V2. So I1 upon V2 is 1 by 12. This current upon voltage has a unit mho. Okay. So I got the relationship between I1 and V2 and I1 also. This relationship I will use when I am finding out A only. I cannot use this relationship for finding out B and D because conditions were different. For finding out A and C, condition is I2 equal to 0 and for finding out B and D, condition is different. V2 equal to 0 is the condition for finding out B and D. So I cannot use this relationship while finding B and D. Okay. So now I will apply KVL in loop number 1 because A formula is V1 upon V2. So apply KVL in loop number 1. So this is my loop number 1. So V1 minus 10 I1 minus 10 I1 equal to 0. That means V1 equal to 20 I1. But what is formula for A? V1 upon V2. Formula for A is V1 upon V2. But I got the equation V1 equal to 20 I1. And what is I1 in terms of V2? Just now we have determined V2 equal to 12 times I1. That means I1 equal to V2 upon 12. Put here. So V1 equal to 20 into 1 by 12 V2. So V1 equal to 20 by 12 V2. So V1 upon V2, this V2 will come here. This V2 will come in the denominator. So V1 upon V2 equal to 12 by 20 by 12. Answer is 1.66, and it is voltage upon voltage. That's why it is a unitless. Okay. Now we will try to find value of B and D. For finding out B and D, the condition is V2 equal to 0. So V2 0 means short circuit. Okay, from here I2 current is coming, from here I2 current is coming, and from here I1 current is coming. So total current, incoming current is I1, I2, and let us say leaving current is I dash. And what will be the formula of I dash by KCL? I dash equal to I1 plus I2. Okay. Now, one observation. This 10 ohm resistor and this voltage source are in parallel because they are sharing same two nodes. This node is shared by this 10 ohm resistor and this voltage source. This node is shared by this 10 ohm resistor and this voltage source. So as these two are in parallel, this is the voltage value. So voltage across 10 ohm resistor will be plus 2 minus 2I1. So this is the voltage across this 10 ohm resistor. And what will be current I dash? I dash current will be voltage upon resistance. Voltage is 2I, resistance is 10. So we got I dash equal to I1 upon 5. So put in this equation I dash value I1 upon 5. So I1 plus I2 equal to I1 upon 5. So this I1 upon 5 will come here. This I2 will go there. So I1 minus I1 upon 5 equal to minus I2. So cross multiply. So 5I1 minus I1, that means 4I1 upon 5 equal to minus I2. Therefore I1 upon I2 equal to minus 5 by 4. Therefore this minus I am transferring here. So minus I1 upon I2 equal to 5 by 4. And that is nothing but our D parameter. D formula is I1 upon minus of I1 upon I2. Its value is 5 by 4. 5 by 4 is 1.25. Again, it is a current upon current. That's why it is unitless. Okay. Next, we have to find out the formula. We have to write down. We have to determine B. So it's better if I write the formula for B so that we can focus our analysis for finding out B. So what is formula for B? B is minus V1 upon I2. Minus V1 upon I2. B is minus V1 upon I2. So how I can get V1 upon I2? So I must apply KVL in this loop. Okay, so what will be KVL equation? V1 minus 10 I1 plus 2 minus I am going, so minus 10 I1, and again plus 2 minus I am going, so 10 I dash. Current here in this 10 ohm resistor is I dash. Minus 10 I dash equal to 0. But what is I dash? I dash is I1 upon 5. So put here I dash is I1 upon 5. So 10 by 5 is 2. So minus 10 I1 minus 2 I1, that means minus 12 I1. So V1 equal to 12 I1. Okay. But I want to find V1 upon I2. So we have this relationship. What is relationship between I1 and I2? I1 and I2, the relationship is I1 equal to minus 5 by 4 I2. See here, I1 equal to minus 5 by 4 times I2. So put here, so instead of I1, put this value. So V1 equal to minus 12, because minus sign is there, so minus 12, 5 by 4 I2. So this is 1, this is 3. So 3 into 5, 15 I2. So V1 equal to minus 15 I2. And B formula is minus V1 upon I2. So this minus sign you transfer here. So V minus V1 upon I2 comes out as 15. Okay. Simply watching will not clear you. You should also pause the video and you should also write down slowly what you have to determine, what type of relationship. Simple mathematics is there. So minus V1 upon I2 value is 15. So overall ABCD parameter value is ABCD 1.66, 15, 0.083, 1.25. Okay. And what is unit for B? B is voltage upon current. So unit here is ohm. Okay. Thank you.